Regular pruning of jasmine plant can provide us many benefits, but the right way to do that is the most important thing. And in this video I will show you the whole technique to prune jasmine plant, the best time to prune and some common pruning mistakes. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Pruning is simply the trimming and cutting of shoots for the betterment of the plant. It also provides us several benefits, like it promotes new growth on the plant, helps in side branches, prevent fungal growth and pest infection. Pruning also indirectly enforces new buds, makes up the shape of the plant, helps the sunlight to reach the soil surface. But pruning works only if done in the right season. You can prune your jasmine plant in its growing season, that starts at the early springs and goes up to late summer days. So within the season you can prune your jasmine plant whenever you feel the need. But as the season moves, you need to avoid pruning. In the winter season, plant goes under a dormancy period and pruning it at this time have no use. So pruning will be useful if you do it in the growing season of the plant. There are a few precautions that you should know about pruning, otherwise these mistakes can cause serious damage to the plant. First thing is to use a sharp cutter so the cut part will be smooth. Irregular cuts can cause harm, so be careful. Other thing is to clean your cutter because it could be an infected tool. You should use hydrogen peroxide for that, it's linked in the description box to buy. Another thing is to avoid spraying water over the cut part as it's the sensitive area. For properly pruning jasmine plant you need to use a sharp cutter and cut the upper growing shoot around an inch. The node behind the cut part now produces new branches. You can also cut off the dead and dried branches because it prevents pest attack and many other problems. You can also pinch off the newly growing soft branches. This way you can prune your jasmine plant every 2 weeks or as the branches get long and leggy. After the pruning of jasmine plant, it will be very beneficial if you can provide it some nutrients. Fertilizing jasmine plant after pruning is very important because jasmine plant is a heavy feeder and requires more nutrition than other plants. For that you can use this fertilizer. It's a mix of compost, cow dung and mustard cake. All of these ingredients not only provide nutrients but also enhance the soil quality and much more. Details on their other benefits are added in the description box, so must check them out. And fertilize jasmine plant every time when you prune it. And check out this video to know some other growth hacks of jasmine plant.